Pane chitiko chatiri kuona chiri kuitika the regime kana the ruling party yeZANU-PF yatiri kuona kuti vanhu vari kushamisika after pabuda headline ramuri kuona iro kanzi munhu akagwa eliminates Chiwenga generals promotes his own puppets. Sana pena mashuka ari kubuda nyoko pana pamuzimu ai noti bva usubscribe olike or turn on the bell icon tipinda kunyora vachiti president Mnangagwa is eliminating army generals aligned to his deputy Constantino Chiwenga and replacing them with his own. Yesterday he promised Exebios Vusa Chuma and Stanley Mangena to the ranks of major generals. The two were brigadier generals. This happens when the targets those who worked with Chiwenga to remove President Robert Mugabe in 2008, fearing that they would do the same to him. The recent elimination was on retired Army General Engelbert Rujege, who recently survived a car crash. The ZANU-PF Politburo member had an accident in Mount Pleasant that involved one of his vehicle's wheels suddenly flying off, nearly causing the car to overturn. Sources close to the matter revealed that the vehicle was saved from flipping over when it hit rocks, leaving Rujege, a prominent figure in both the military and the political spheres, shaken but unharmed. This near fatal accident follows the mysterious death of Air Commando Peter Zimondi, Director General of the Administration in the Air Force of Zimbabwe, AFZ, earlier this month. Tomashwa rukuda panapa achitaugwa achiexposewa vavari kuona kuti aiwa all the generals vakanga vari aligned to VP vari kunzi aiwa vari kusidelinewa, patiri kuona vari kunzi aiwa pari kuita arise kune vamwe vari loyal kune mutungamiri wenyika. Masho vari kubuda panapa achinyogwa muzimu ai vachitaura vachilinga nezvakaitika kuna General Rujege avo vamuziva kuti vakasangana netsaona but vakasurvivor. Kuti zamafungiro enyu moti kudii pamusoro pechitiko ichi, pinda comment section medu, so subscribe or like and turn on the bell.